Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to second grade math, lesson 118. Today you will need a ruler for the lesson. Parent or guardian, you should have the lesson script pulled up to follow along. After asking a question, I'll provide think time. When I signal for the answer by clicking or snapping or tapping the board, the student should answer. If the student needs more think time, pause the video. Be sure to check the answer for accuracy. Once a student is ready and has mastered the answer, press play on the video. Let's begin the lesson. Exercise 1. Open your workbook to lesson 118 and find part 1. I'll read each problem. You'll write the answer. Touch problem A. Do it. 680 plus 10. Write the answer. Do it. Everybody, what's 680 plus 10? Get ready. 690. Touch problem B. 680 plus 100. Write the answer. Do it. Everybody, what's 680 plus 100? Get ready. 780. Touch problem C. 680 minus 10. Write the answer. Everybody, what's 680 minus 10? Get ready. Yes, 670. Touch problem D. 680 minus 100. Write the answer. Everybody, what's 680 minus 100? Get ready. 580. Touch problem E. 251 plus 100. Write the answer. Everybody, what's 251 plus 100? Get ready. 351. Touch problem F. 251 plus 10. Write the answer. Everybody, what's 251 plus 10? Get ready. 261. Touch problem G. 251 minus 10. Write the answer. Everybody, what's 251 minus 10? Get ready. 241. Touch problem H. 251 minus 100. Write the answer. What's 251 minus 100? Get ready. 151. Way to go. Exercise 2. Find part 2 in your workbook. Touch shape A. This is a hard problem. Make lines so there are 8 separate triangles inside the rectangle. Make sure that all the shapes inside the rectangle are triangles. Make the lines very light so you can change them if they're wrong. Listen, every line you'll make goes from a dot to another dot. Try to do that. Pause the video. Here are the shapes you could have. Raise your hand if you made these shapes. Great. Now, see if you can make more lines so that you have 16 separate triangles inside the rectangle and all the shapes inside are triangles. You should end up with the same 16 triangles. Pause the video. Here are the shapes you should have. Raise your hand if you got it right. Way to go. Touch shape B. What's the big shape? Get ready. Hexagon. This is another hard problem. Make lines so there are 6 triangles inside the hexagon. Every line you'll make goes from a dot to another dot. Pause the video and do it. Here are the shapes you could have. Now you're going to make lines so you end up with 10 separate triangles. Remember, all the shapes inside the hexagon are triangles. There are more than 3 ways to do it. Who made this triangle? Raise your hand. I'm sorry, who made those shapes? Now, if you made the shapes, you can end up with 10 separate triangles if you draw 2 more lines. So, for those of you that did this shape, I want you to draw 2 lines from the dot to the dot to get 10 triangles inside the hexagon. Pause the video. Okay, raise your hand if you made these shapes. Now, if you made those shapes, you can end up with 10 separate triangles if you draw 1 more line. See if you can make 1 more line to get 10 triangles inside the hexagon. Pause the video. Here are different ways to make 10 triangles. Maybe you had another way. All right, excellent job, boys and girls. I want you now to exercise 3. I want you now to find part 3 in your workbook. All right, this is a picture graph that shows how many cups are on different shelves. Touch row A for shelf A. Raise your hand when you know how many cups are on shelf A. How many cups are on shelf A? Get ready. 3. Write the number at the end of the row. Then write the numbers for the rest of the rows. Please pause the video. 1 of the rows has 6 cups on it. Touch the row for that shelf. Do it. You should be touching row B. Touch the row for the shelf that has 3 cups on it. What's the letter of that row? Get ready. A. Touch the row for the shelf that has 9 cups. What's the letter of that row? Get ready. C. Touch the row that has the most cups. Which row has the most cups? Get ready. C. Touch the row that has the fewest cups. Which row has the fewest cups? Get ready. Yes, good job, row A. Oopsies. There we go. All right, sorry about that, guys. Okay, this is another kind of graph. It has no pictures, but the bars show how many cups there are on each shelf. These numbers show how many cups are on each shelf. If the bar is longer, there are more cups on the shelf. Look at the lines. Which bar is the longest? A, B, C, or D? Get ready? Yes, B. So B shows the most cups. Which bar is the shortest? A, B, C, or D? Get ready. C. One of the bars shows 1 cup. That bar ends at 1. Is that bar A, B, C, or D? Get ready. 3. Does any bar end at 2? Think. Get ready. No, so none of the bars shows 2 cups. Does any bar end at 3? Get ready. No. Does any bar end at 4? Get ready. Yes. Is that bar A, B, C, or D? Get ready. A. Does any bar end at 5? Get ready. No. Does any bar end at 6? Get ready. Yes. What's the letter of that bar? Get ready. D. Does any bar end at 7? Get ready. Yes. What's the letter of that bar? Get ready. B. Way to go on that graph, boys and girls. Now these bars show the number of plates on each shelf. What do they show? Get ready. Yes, the number of plates on each shelf. Does this shelf have more than 1 plate on it? Get ready. Yes. Raise your hand when you know how many plates are on shelf A. How many plates? Get ready. Yes, shelf A has 3 plates. Raise your hand when you know how many plates are on shelf B. How many plates? Get ready. 0. Yes, shelf B has 0 plates. Raise your hand when you know how many plates are on shelf C. How many plates? Get ready. 5. Yes, shelf C has 5 plates. Raise your hand when you know how many plates are on shelf D. How many plates? Get ready. 2. Yes, shelf D has 2 plates. Exercise 4. Find part 4 in your workbook. Touch picture A. The picture shows the number of goats in each barn. Write the number. Do it. What number did you write? Get ready. 4. Touch the question. The question asks, how many barns are there for 28 goats? Does the problem give a number for barns or goats? Think. Get ready. Goats. Write that number where it belongs. Then write the problem and work it. Remember to write the whole answer on the line. Please pause the video. Here's what you should have. The answer to the question is 7 barns. Touch picture B. The picture shows the number of eggs in each carton. Write that number. Do it. What number did you write? Get ready. 9. Touch the question. The question asks, how many eggs are there in 10 cartons? Does the question give a number for eggs or cartons? Get ready? Yes, cartons. Write that number where it belongs. Then write the problem and work it. Remember to write the whole answer on the line. Please pause the video. Here's what you should have. The answer to the question is 90 eggs. Touch picture C. Do it. The picture shows the number of popsicles in each box. Write the number. Do it. What number did you write? Get ready. 5. Touch the question. The question asks, how many popsicles are in 12 boxes? Does the question give a number for popsicles or boxes? Get ready? Boxes. Write that number where it belongs, then write the problem and work it. Remember to write the whole answer. Pause the video. Here's what you should have. The answer to the question is 60 popsicles. Way to go, friends. You're doing great. Exercise 5. Pencils down. Here are rows that show some of the ways we could make different groups of yellow balls and blue balls. Raise your hand when you know how many balls are in each row. How many balls? Get ready. 7. Yes. How many blue balls are in this row? Get ready. 1. How many yellow balls are in this row? Get ready. 6. So what's the first small number of the number family in this row? Get ready. 6. What's the other small number? Get ready. 1. What's the big number? Get ready. 7. Excellent. Here's the number family. Now, raise your hand when you know both small numbers in this row. What are the small numbers? Get ready. Yes, 5 and 2. What's the big number? Get ready. Yes, 7. Good thinking. Here's the number family. Raise your hand when you know both small numbers in this row. What are the small numbers? Get ready. 4 and 3. What's the big number? Get ready. Yes, 7. Here's the number family. We can make more rows of yellow balls and blue balls. Raise your hand when you know the number of yellow balls and blue balls that should be in row D. How many yellow balls should be in row D? Get ready. 3. How many blue balls should be in row D? Get ready. 4. I could not trick you on that one. Way to go. Now your turn. Write the number family for row D on your lined paper. Don't copy the balls. Just make the number family. Please pause the video. Here's what you should have. I'm not going to show you any more rows, but you can figure them out. Below number family D, you'll make 2 more families. For family E, you won't have 2 blue balls, 3 blue balls, or 4 blue balls. How many blue balls will you have? Think. Get ready. Yes, 5. How many blue balls will you have for family F? Think. Get ready. Yes, 6. Make the number families for E and F. Make sure you check your work. Please pause the video. Here are the number families you should have made. Raise your hand if you got both of them. Excellent. All right, here is a new row. Make a number family for A. Pencils down when you're finished. Pause the video. Here's what you should have. Below family A, you'll make 2 more families. For family B, you won't have 1 green square. How many green squares will you have for family B? Think. Get ready? Yes, 2. How many green squares will you have for family C? Get ready. Yes, 3. Make number families for B and C that show different numbers. Pencils down when you're finished. Pause the video. How many families did you make all together? Get ready. 3. Everybody, what's the big number in all the families? Get ready. 4. What are the small numbers for family A? Get ready. 3 and 1. What are the small numbers for the next family? Get ready. 2 and 2. What are the small numbers for the last family? Get ready. 1 and 3. Way to go, boys and girls. I am so proud of you for doing this lesson today. And now I want you to begin your independent work. I want you to make sure that you take your time, that you check your work, and that you are writing the problems and the answers, not just the answers. Of course, make sure you have your dollar signs and your dots and your adding and subtracting very carefully and completing your work. And then, of course, after you finish your work, then you would watch the work check, and you would grade your work with your blue pen and use integrity and make sure that you're being honest with your work. I know you'll do a great job, and we'll see you later.